Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover Sport 3.0 P460e Autobiography. This Range Rover Sport is finished in the very sleek Varesine Blue and comes sitting on those 22-inch diamond-toned alloy wheels. Fitted with the black exterior pack and privacy glass that gives the ultimate finish to this Range Rover Sport. And every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry. Easily moving inside, we've got the door card, home to features including the memory seat configuration and Meridian sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music and podcasts. Now into the front, these are the Light Cloud and Ebony leather electric front seats. And there's a really warm welcome into this Range Rover Sport with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Perfect for hot and sunny days, this vehicle does feature the centre console cooling compartment, ensuring snacks and drinks are kept cold. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got the voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. And ahead is the driver's display. This vehicle also comes with the very modern and luxury head-up display and clear sight rear view mirror, allowing for a seamless driving experience. Ideal for on the go, we have the wireless device charging pad. This is the 13.1-inch Pivi Pro infotainment system with some fantastic features including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and much more. Maximise your comfort at all times with the heated and cooled front and rear seats and climate controls, which you can also access through the touchscreen. And another standout feature on this vehicle is the massage front seats, which is the epitome of luxury and comfort rolled into one. Now moving into the back, that leather interior continues. There's a really nice amount of space for your rear passengers, and we also have climate controls and heated and cooled rear seats to ensure your rear passengers are as comfortable as the front. The second row seats are also electric. The Range Rover Sport comes with a great amount of boot space, which is ideal for your luggage and shopping. And on the side panel, we have the electronic air suspension controls and the rear electric seat controls. For simple access into the boot, it does come with the powered tailgate. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Sport, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.